Thank you.
My brother-in-law sent me a clip of you, Judge. So do you know this one? So I love her. I love her.
Thank you so much for the
Listen,
support.
I know. I thought it was funny. I was like, yeah.
I try.
I was like, you should.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that scans the docket so you don't have to. And Chips Ahoy and cocaine makes quite the domestic issue. And today, in the Fleischer Dome, we have our defendant that allegedly weaponized his baked goods. All of this and a health lesson from Judge Fleischer today on Time Served. Check out the latest from the channel here. Like and subscribe. Set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
Ya nomás, no digas nada.
Okay. I'm sorry, Counsel. Did you say 251-76?
7861. Sorry, maybe I give you the wrong number.
Yes, sir, Vega Nieto.
Sequence.
Sir, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
Judge, on April 13th, 2024, complaining witness stated that the defendant assaulted her at their shared residence located in Harris County, Texas. Complaining witness picked up the defendant from his work, whereby he was intoxicated, and then he arrived home. He kept drinking. An argument ensued because the complaining witness didn't want to have sex with him, and the defendant punched the complaining witness in the face, causing her pain. The defendant began calling her names while eating a cookie and shoved the cookies in her face, causing her nose to bleed and swell. Her friend was able to later escape the residence and get a bus ticket to leave the state and relocate. The complaining witness positively ID'd the defendant by AFIS mugshot.
This allegedly occurred, Judge, on April 13th of 2024. I think it was just filed. It's my understanding that the CW is currently in Florida. She's not here. I'm not sure why it took so long to.
Regardless, he's also he's on bond for a felony PCS. There's an open felony case right now in the 176. He's on bond for a PCS. Hey, how old are you?
41.
What's the PCS? Is it meth? Is it cocaine?
Okay.
You're in advanced age, Mr. Vega. You don't look to be in the best shape either. What do you think cocaine is going to do to your body, buddy? Perhaps a heart attack? Consider that. I'm now going to order you as a condition of your bond to undergo treatment. No drugs, no alcohol, and you will be doing AA and NA treatment 3 times a week. I'm not going to give him a PR bond. I guess you didn't see the.
I did not see
open
it.
felony
I did
case,
not
huh?
see it at all.
Yeah.
Did not see that.
You know, normally I would give people a PR bond, but you have an open felony case and you're continuing to use, when I have to imagine part of your bond condition is for you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. So that tells me you have a problem.
Judge, can I get him a bondsman? Can I get a bondsman here, Judge? And I don't
Yes.
know what's going on with that
Marcos?
felony because it has been reset to January of 2025. So, okay, so that case is in the process of being resolved.
I'm
Judge.
okay with that if you want to do that. But I'm not going to reward him with a PTI or with a PR bond for having an open felony and continuing to use when he knows he shouldn't be using. Now,
But I don't think he's using.
he's intoxicated, he's out, he comes home and he shoves cookies in her face to where her nose bleeds. Yeah. And like I said,
And I think there's a backstory to that, Your Honor. It's
sure,
not
there's always, I
cut
get
and
it.
dry.
Regardless, Mr. Vega, your body will only put up with so much. At some point, your body is going to give up on you, and hopefully it doesn't. But the more hard dope you do, the worse it is for you. I am now ordering you to stop, and I'm going to test you like crazy. If I find that you're using anything, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they're going to put a detainer on you. Do you understand? Okay.
Judge, what would the bond amount be so I can talk about it?
What's your position?
Your Honor, due to the fact that this is his first day of time, but he is on bond on a felony, that's
And Judge, we're gonna ask for a $1,500 bond. Again, I think and speaking to my client, I think
Mr. Nieto, I'm gonna have you take a seat. Well, first off, I'm gonna have you meet with Victoria. We're gonna have you sign a recess. After that, I'm gonna have you meet with Tracy for your bond conditions. I'm now going to have you do 3 times a week AA, NA classes. And I want proof of it. If you fail to bring this back to me, because I'm gonna reset your case 2 weeks from today, and I wanna see that you partaking in this treatment. If you can't do it, I will put you in jail. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. It's too dangerous.
Bondman's on his way, Judge.
Stephen, what do you want to do with Mr. Vega?
Well, right now, I'm gonna have to actually hold them until the bondsmen come in the back, because I need to get through the jury.
We do need him to sign.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
I've got 4 others that are on bond.